Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. I am Vakas, and if you're new here, this is the place where I break down tech stuff that actually matters to your daily life. So today, I've got something that genuinely shocked me when I first found out about it. And I promise you, by the end of this video, you're gonna wanna grab your phone and do exactly what I show you. So stick with me because this one's important. Okay, so here's the thing nobody tells you. Your Android phone, the one sitting in your hand right now, has an app on it that's silently watching everything you do. And I don't mean in some vague theoretical way. I mean it's actually tracking which apps you open, how long you spend in them, what you search, what you click, what you're interested in. And all of that, it's being used to serve you ads everywhere you go online. But here's the creepy part, you didn't download this app, it came pre installed by your phone's manufacturer, hidden away where you'd never normally look. There's no icon on your home screen, it doesn't show up in your app drawer. And the developers, they deliberately removed the uninstall button so you can't just delete it the normal way. That app is called Ad Privacy. And today I'm going to show you exactly how to find it and shut it down for good. Alright, let's start with finding it. Open up your Play Store. Tap on your profile photo in the top right corner. Scroll down to Help and Feedback. Then tap Search. Type in Apps. Then select the option that says Delete Apps on your Android device. Then tap Go to Application Settings or something like that. Okay, once you are in, you need to make System Apps visible. So look for the three dot menu or a filter icon and select Show System Apps. Now search for Ad Privacy. And when you find it and open it, scroll to the bottom and you'll notice something interesting. There's no delete button and there's no force stop button either. Those options were deliberately removed. And honestly, that tells you everything you need to know about why this app even exists. Now in some cases, if it's not installed on your device, then you're in luck. But if it is on your device, here's how we actually stop it. So go to your phone's main settings, tap on Apps, scroll down, and depending on your phone brand, you'll see either Special Access or Special Permissions. Open whichever one shows up. Now scroll down until you find Usage Access or Usage Data Access. In my case, it's called App Usage Data. Tap that. Then tap the three dot menu again and select Show System Apps. Now find Ad Privacy in the list and toggle it off. And that's it, you've just cut off its ability to watch what you do on your phone. Honestly, this is one of those things that takes less than 5 minutes, but makes a real difference. So if you found this helpful, please hit that like button, subscribe and tap the bell icon so you don't miss what's coming next.